model, 60-plate Mercedes Sprinter 313 CDI long EU5 bargain of a price. Grin simple injector fixed trade margin open mouth smile. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 142831. MOT, 8 August 2024. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 129 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Needs injector number 3 replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van, fantastic tow bar recently fitted. Grin. Features, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, EU5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £3,895. Click the link in the